Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to MHB Tech, everyone. If you are here for the first time, my name is Mazhar Hussain, and in today's video, we will talk about hiding and unhiding files on your computer. We'll watch this video until the end. Hope you like the video. If you like these videos, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. Today we talked about hiding and unhiding files in Windows. Hope you find this information useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Share your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.